I'm waiting for your answer to the question number 1 in our Zoom chat, ladies. I see. Yeah, this is G. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, actually, it was hard to catch, you know. Victoria, can I please ask you to read the question?
An explanation of the industrial processes that create potential raw materials for concrete.
Okay, so what are their industrial processes?
Yeah, it was about where is it? Fly ash and byproducts of coal burning power plants can be incorporated into concrete mixes to make up as much as 15 to 30% of cement. I think it's the process when you add from 15 to 30%. It's about it. Yeah.
Okay,
and also in question we have a word potential, so it's about what can replace cement in concrete.
Yeah, I would like to take a look. Potential raw materials for concrete. Potential raw materials, the ending S implies the plural, right? So fly ash is only the first one.
And slag from iron.
Iron slag, yeah. Yeah, can you please read the information that I'm highlighting?
Yeah, iron ore slag, a byproduct of the iron ore smelting process, can be used in similar way.
Yeah, I agree that their information highlighted in what is the color? Yellow, right? It is like the explanation, yeah, like of the industrial process that create potential raw materials. Yeah, like fly ash is a byproduct. Yeah? How can we like come up with a fly ash? Yeah, it can be produced during the coal burning power plants. Right, and iron ore slag, yeah, which can be produced during the iron ore smelting process, right? So these are the industrial processes that create potential raw materials for concrete. But what about their paraphrasing for potential raw materials for concrete? And by the way, let me just check, ladies, the pronunciation of the word concrete. I think it's concrete. And please make a point every single time to check the pronunciation of the word, because if you do not say it correctly, it unfortunately it will not improve your score. Yeah, concrete. So please make a point of saying concrete. Okay, so can you please search for some information about the paraphrasing of potential materials for concrete?
Potential it possible alternatives to cement in the concrete mix.
Nice. Yeah, and which are fly ash and slag. Right. Okay. So ladies, even if we don't know what is like fly ash or slag, it doesn't matter. Yeah, we just need to search for some paraphrasing for potential possible potential raw materials for concrete, but possible alternatives to cement in a concrete mix, which are fly ash and iron ore slag, and which are produced during coal burning and iron ore smelting process. And that's it. Yeah, because I don't know what are fly ash and slag, but though it did not like impede my understanding, and it did not hinder my progress when I was searching for the answers, for the correct answers. Okay, so please do not obsess about the words that you don't know. Try to derive the meaning from the context. Okay, ladies, do you have any questions about G? Okay, let's discuss the second one. Right, you are, of course. Yeah, this is D. Ekaterina Tarasenko, can I please ask you to read their question?
A reference to the various locations where high-rise wooden buildings can be found. Vancouver, Vienna, and Brumunddal in Norway are all home to constructed tall wooden buildings.
Yeah, that is correct. Right. Totally agree. Yeah, and actually we can see we can actually mention like recent years have seen the emergence of tall buildings constructed almost entirely from timber. Yeah, like timber, in this case, like wood, like the material. Okay. Yeah, okay, questions? Yeah, but I mean, like all of the answers are correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, way to go, ladies. Moving forward to number 3. I see. Okay. Yeah, actually, this is C. You know, the answer is C. Okay, I would like to, okay. Then, Victoria, can I ask you once again, please, to justify your answer?
Yeah, of course. An indication of how widely available the raw materials of concrete are. And in C, it's not only are the ingredients of concrete relatively cheap and found in abundance in most places around the globe.
Okay. So what is that?
Widely available is in most places around the globe. It's about it. And raw materials of concrete is ingredients of concrete.
Okay. How do you understand the meaning of the word available? Yeah, like widely, I agree. Yeah, like in most of the places around the globe. But what about wide available?
Found, maybe like доступны.
Found in what? Do you know this one?
Found in no, I don't know this word.
Yeah, like in abundance, в изобилии. Yeah, so if something is abundant, yeah, like the adjective form is going to be like, so something can be found in abundance or something can be abundant, like a lot of it, right? Yeah, so this is available. And one more actually here we have about availability of concrete. Like there is a lot of concrete and it is
cheap.
Cheap, of course. Yeah, because if something is available, it is accessible. You can access it. Yeah, you can reach it. Yeah, in this case, it is relatively cheap and found in abundance. Yep, and that is why we have to choose paragraph 3 for our answer. Okay, ladies, questions about number 3? No questions. Okay, moving forward to 4. Okay, I see. Yeah, the answer is, ladies, F. You know, F. Okay, we have to H. We'll look into that. Ekaterina Tarasenko, can I please ask you to read their question?
The belief that more high-rise wooden buildings are needed before wood can be regarded as a viable construction material. But even treated wood has its limitation, and only when a wider range of construction projects has been proven in practice will it be possible to see wood as a real alternative to concrete in constructing tall buildings.
Okay, some paraphrasing, please. Yeah, let's start with more high-rise wooden buildings are needed.
A wider range of construction projects.
Yep. Yeah, has been proven in practice. Wood can be regarded as a viable construction material.
Wood is a real alternative to concrete in constructing.
Tall buildings, yeah. Okay, and in this case, we have actually inversion. Only when something happens will it be possible, like to make a point. Yeah, that something should happen first to lead to something in the future. Okay, yeah. So once again, more high-rise wooden buildings, a wider range of construction projects. Okay, then wood can be regarded as a viable construction material. To see wood as a real alternative to concrete in constructing tall buildings. Okay, so ladies, any questions here? Number 4. Okay. So let's discuss summary completion exercise. I'm waiting for your answers to question number 5. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that is correct. And by the way, yeah, architects, because architect is not going to be the correct answer, unfortunately. Yeah, architects. Dasha Shulaeva, can I please ask you to read the question?
Wood is traditional building material, but current environmental concerns are encouraging architect to use wood in modern construction project.
Okay, so how was it paraphrased?
It was like traditional building materials. It's like rather medieval idea. And environmentalist, it may be about what climate change.
Environmental concerns.
To use wood in modern construction project, it's like a possible resource.
Okay, yeah, I agree. For example, that take a look. Current environmental concerns, once again, is
climate change.
Climate change. Yeah. What about encouraging architects?
Treated, turn to treat, maybe.
Like encouraging architects, driving architects, right? Then to use wood in modern construction projects.
Like the possible resource.
Yeah, to turn to, yeah? Like to turn to, обратить свое внимание на, yeah, to pay attention to something, yeah, to use. And then we have wood, which is actually treated timber, right, as a possible resource, yeah, in modern construction projects. Yeah, that is correct. That's correct. Okay, ladies, unless you have some questions, we can move forward to 6. Yep, moisture. That is correct. Ekaterina Parfionova, can I please ask you to read the question?
Yeah, just a second. For example, as moisture in the atmosphere enters wood, it decreases in size. In addition, wood is prone to pests and the risk of fire is greater. However, wood can be turned into a better construction material if it is treated and combined with other materials. I think it was in paragraph E.
Yeah, okay.
Wood expands as it absorbs moisture from the air.
Yep. So what is like wood expands? How was it paraphrased?
Increases in size.
Yeah, it increases in size. It is referred back to what?
Wood.
Wood, yeah. Let me just show it like this, yeah. It meaning wood. Okay, yeah. And here we have moisture in the atmosphere. How was it paraphrased?
From the air.
From the air. Yeah, moisture enters wood.
Absorbs.
What absorbs the word?
Wood absorbs moisture.
Yeah, wood absorbs moisture. Moisture enters wood. Yep, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So questions, ladies? Okay. Moving forward to number 7. Yeah, the answer is layers. Layers of solid wood. Yeah. Dasha Shulaeva, can I please ask you to read the question?
In one process, layer of solid wood are glued together to create building blocks.
Okay.
We can see like a solid some timber, and it's like a solid wood. Are glued, it's like adhesive.
Yeah, adhesive is used to do what?
To stick.
Yeah, to stick together, right? To stick something together. Like to glue together, to stick together. Can you see that?
Yes.
What about to create building blocks?
From building blocks, to form building blocks.
Okay, so in this case, we have active voice. To stick together layers of solid sawn timber. But in our question, we have passive, right? Because take a look, ladies. Layers of solid wood are glued together. Like are stuck together. Layers of solid timber are stuck together. Or we can say to glue layers of solid sawn timber together. Yeah, sometimes they use it. For example, you can see active voice in the read passage, but for example, in the question type, yeah, in the question itself, they turn to passive voice, or vice versa. Okay, questions? Okay, then moving forward to number 8. Yep, totally. Yeah, this is speed. Speed. Ekaterina Parfionova, can I please ask you to read the question?
Experts say that wooden buildings are an improvement on those made of concrete and steel in terms of the speed with which they can be constructed and how much noise is generated by the process.
Okay.
Construction experts said that the wooden building can be constructed at a great speed. It's about the word. And one of concrete and steel is quieter. Quieter is how much noise is generated by the process.
Okay, how do we understand that wooden buildings are an improvement in terms of speed? What kind of grammar shows us that?
Greater speed.
Yeah, greater. Like in this case, it's going to be the comparative degree. Like the comparative degree of adjectives. Greater. Yeah, like лучше, выше, сильнее и тому подобное. Да? Okay. Yeah. Can be constructed at a greater speed than ones of concrete and steel. Yeah, in terms of, with which they can be constructed. And in this case, you have actually some more information. Yeah, how much noise is generated by the process? Once again, Ekaterina.
It's quieter.
Yeah, quieter. Yeah. So it is improvement. Once again, improvement. In terms of speed. Yeah, speed with which it can be constructed, right? And how much noise is generated, because it is greater and quieter. So this is an improvement. Yeah, comparative degree of adjectives. Okay, ladies, do we have any questions? Yeah, before we move over to list of people to match.